Is it time to buy or sell Instacart Maplebear? In this video, we are diving deep into Instacart Maplebear. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of June 2025, our system has ranked Instacart as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.53. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 9.17%. This equates to an average return of 0.33% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and moderately rising trend in the short term, suggesting further upward movement within this trend. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 8.94% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 0.2% to 11.98%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 17.76%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might vary between negative 4.64% and 36.39% over the coming year. This would imply a future price ranging from $47.10 to $67.37. Our latest daily update for Instacart, also known as Maplebear, includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Instacart Inc. Stock Price After Thursday Trading. The stock price of Instacart Inc. gained 3.5% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, rising from $47.72 to $49.39. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.25%, reaching a low of $47.92 and a high of $49.47. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 0.9% over this period. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with 4 million more shares traded than the day before. 7 million shares changed hands for approximately $342,098,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $53.44, while the lowest was $31.15. Currently, the price stands at 7.58%, or $4.05, below the 52-week high of $53.44, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Instacart, trading under the ticker CART, has demonstrated robust performance in its second quarter earnings. The company reported earnings of 41 cents per share, exceeding analyst expectations of 39 cents and showcasing notable growth from 20 cents per share 1 year ago. This remarkable performance, coupled with an 11% increase in revenue, positions Instacart favorably as it provides optimistic guidance for the third quarter. With retailers on its platform implementing more competitive pricing strategies to meet consumer demand, the company is well-positioned to effectively leverage market trends. Furthermore, a new partnership with Bottle Caps enhances retail media capabilities for alcohol brands, creating additional revenue streams through technology that strengthens advertising across its wide network of retailers. This diversification could further bolster Instacart's market presence and profitability. In the short term, these positive earnings results and growth initiatives are likely to enhance investor confidence, potentially resulting in a rally in CART shares. Over the longer term, if Instacart continues on its growth trajectory and adapts to consumer needs, it could secure a more substantial market share, making it an attractive stock for investors interested in the evolving grocery technology landscape. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned CART a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CART a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned CART a reduced grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned CART a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned CART a buy grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Instacart stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Instacart Maplebear. The stock of Instacart Maplebear Inc. presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at levels of $47.95 and $47.25. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially affecting short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 1.14%. Further decreases are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence-divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal recorded 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noted 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal observed 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal indicated 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, buy signal reported 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal recorded 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 55 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Instacart Maplebear. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $45.67 and $43.87. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Instacart Maplebear Inc. finds support just below today's level at $45.67. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $43.87 and $42.94. This stock is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $1.56, which is 3.25%, between high and low. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.83%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Instacart Maplebear, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with long-standing histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 39 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Instacart, also known as Maplebear. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Instacart is at $49.79. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a significant point for swing trading. On the downside, Instacart encounters its first support level at $45.67. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Instacart, also known as Maplebear, from various analyst sources, is classified as a buy. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 25th of July, 2025, GCM Grosvenor Incorporated executed an insider sale of 4,238,887 shares of common stock. On the same date, GCM Grosvenor Incorporated conducted another insider sale of 565,385 shares of common stock. Also on the 25th of July, GCM Grosvenor Incorporated sold an additional 60,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, GCM Grosvenor Limited Partnership conducted an insider sale of 4,238,887 shares of common stock. Again on that date, GCM Grosvenor Limited Partnership executed another insider sale of 565,385 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 21.746. In total, insiders have acquired 21,925,278 shares, while selling 25,063,480 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $47.33, reflecting a decrease of 4.16%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top observed 12 days ago. Is Instacart or Maplebear stock a good investment? Instacart, also known as Maplebear Inc., presents several positive indicators and is currently in a weak upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a solid choice at these levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has upgraded this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, August 8th, we expect Instacart to open lower by approximately 465 hundredths and begin trading at $48.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.